So here we have an example where we're going to show off the OpenAI integration in Podio. Um, this is a demonstration support ticket in the ProcFu help desk where the user is experiencing some issues with some code, giving the wrong date when creating items using the API. So what we do in this example is we will just assign a task, and we'll call it ticket help, and we'll assign it to our AI guy. And we'll say, can you help this user out on this ticket? Please, always be nice. And you create the task. And the task is created. And within seconds, we should see that OpenAI has created a response. And there it is already. And it has correctly identified that date is using the wrong format. And there you go. You can now assign a task to the AI assistant in any workspace in Podio where the AI assistant is part of the workspace. And every time you ask a question, the entire Podio item payload is included. So it knows all the comments and all the fields of the item that you're talking about. Super easy.